Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, like I told y'all, it's all these impromptu videos this month. And then we're going to be back to normal on a normal schedule here next month. I'm just first month of retirement. I'm just enjoying life, the rest of my life. And I'm just hitting y'all with spontaneous, impromptu videos this month. Like I say, next month I'll be on a schedule, but I ain't going to always stick to the schedule because I can do that. Because I'm my own boss, I can do what I want. So, but most time it'll be pretty much a normal schedule. Today, as you see by the preview video and the preview picture and the name, I'm doing 7 steak, y'all. I'm doing a little twist on it. Usually I smother this in brown gravy and all that, but this time I'm gonna do like a tomato-based sauce. I'm gonna smother it in the oven, of course. And 7 steak, if you don't know, it's the center blade chuck roast of the cow. It has a blade, a bone on here, right here, shaped like a 7. See that? That's why they call it 7 blade steak. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off and I'm gonna slice up my bell peppers. I'm gonna do bell peppers, onion, a little garlic. I'm gonna put a little chopped tomatoes in there, a little beef stock, and make a little sauce, put it in the oven, and braise it for about hour and a half, 2 hours. This is a tough piece of meat, y'all. Cheap piece of meat. My butcher hooked me up really good. I actually got 6 of these. I put the other in the freezer. And I got them for like 20 bucks, 6 of these, which ain't bad when you buy that many at a time. I bought about 5 pounds of them. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off, get all this prepped up. Got my meat all washed up there. Everything clean. I just need to slice up my peppers and onions, and we're gonna put this thing together. Prepping it is the easy part. Just gotta take a long time in the oven. It takes an hour and a half, and I'm gonna eat mine with some mashed potatoes. You can eat it with rice. I feel like eating mashed potatoes today. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna show you how I put this together. I'm just playing it by ear. I'm gonna create a recipe as I go because there's actually no recipe I ever did for this one. So I'm gonna create it as I go, y'all. So another spontaneous recipe, just getting started. Old school soul food. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. I got everything fabricated here. I got red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Now, we're going to get our steak seared off here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sear this off in flour. I'm going to put salt and pepper on each side here. Turn it over. Put it on the other side. Got my skillet heating up here. I'm gonna put it in my flour here. You know, I do my little shake and bake thingy, y'all. I do a little shake. And I do my flour here. Make sure the flour get all over the steak. Move it over here. So y'all can see here. And I'm gonna sear it right here in the skillet. I just want to brown it off here, y'all. Put it right here in the skillet here. So it'll all get up underneath there. Brown that off. You just want to get it to brown real good on each side. And I'm going to put in I got a big casserole dish here. Probably too big for 2 pieces of meat, but I'm going to use it anyway. This casserole dish, I'm going to use this to put it in. I'm using that so to kind of cook a little bit quicker. And while they're doing that, I'm going to go on and season this other side steak off here. Like I said, y'all, this is my little twist on pepper steak. It's going to be a pepper steak, but instead of a dark gravy, I'm going to do like a red tomato sauce type gravy there. Or sauce, or however you want to say it. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to step off here. And like I say, it's boring TV here to sit there and watch meat cook in a skillet. I know some channels that do that. I don't know if they're doing it just for views or what. They'll just let the steak cook right there in the skillet and let people watch it. And I'm just not like that. It's boring to me. That'll put me to sleep. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back when I flip this over and get the next one in. And we'll go from there. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Alright, y'all. I got the second steak seared off pretty much. Okay, Now we're gonna take it out, put in my dish over here. Y'all can see it right here, see them? Nice sear on, nice, really, really dark golden brown sear. Now, we're going to take our, get in here, we're going to add our onions to this, and our bell peppers. Get a nice sear, but we're not going to cook it that long, y'all, because remember, we're going to put them in the oven too. So I'm not going to really sear them in the skillet here that long before I add my tomatoes to this. Want to get a little translucent, and then we're going to add our tomatoes to this and our beef base. We'll add the water to it and then beef base. Let me add a little garlic to this. I should have added the garlic before, but this will work, y'all. Ain't no harm in it. Garlic off of here. Alright, now move this around in here. Yeah, like I say, this is my little twist on pepper steak. Now we already have got garlic, onions, and the bell peppers. Okay, let's open up my can of tomatoes here. Open up here. Right. Open up my beef base. I don't have no beef stock, so I'm gonna use a little water and beef base, y'all. I always keep some of this here, some of wet beef base. Let me show y'all. I keep a little of that on hand. I don't use a lot of beef stock like I use chicken stock. So I keep a little base in there, keep it in the fridge. Just add it to my base when I need it. Okay, add tomatoes to this. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit different. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to this. There we go. Now we're going to add our beef base. It's right here. So my beef base right there. It's going to give it that beef color. Not beef color, beef flavor. See that? Like I say, y'all, this is going to be my little twist on pepper steak. Do this with a thick gravy. This is going to be a nice tomato-y type sauce. It's going to be slightly thick, not really, really heavy thick. That's why I'm eating it with some mashed potatoes. Okay. The next thing I'm going to add to this. Y'all know my old school pepper sauce? What I like to do, because y'all don't have to do this. Let me rinse this out here. I like to add a few of my peppers to this out of my jar. I'm telling you, y'all, it's changed the whole flavor of this sauce. Put that in there. Like I say, y'all, I'm just doing spontaneously here. That's how you do them spontaneous videos. It's when you create, and give y'all some FYI behind the scenes. This is how I create a lot of new recipes or a lot of old school recipes with a little twist on them. This is what I do. Sometimes I get in the kitchen on the weekend, no video camera, nobody around, and I just start creating on the fly, y'all. Creating on the fly. Okay, now, I know this is going to need some salt and pepper, but first, I'm going to let this simmer about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to let this simmer so the flavors kind of get together. Then I'm going to come back, I'm going to season, we're going to put it on top of the meat, put it in the oven about an hour and a half. We're going to have some goodness, y'all. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, the sauce is ready. That's all I want right here. Now, all I'm going to do, y'all, move y'all over here. See the meat there is ready in the pan, in the casserole there. All I'm going to do, get my sauce here. And just slowly just pour it on top there. Just like that. It's all evenly on there. See that? That's goodness, y'all. Look at that. Now, I'm going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees, about an hour and a half. Sometimes it might take retake. Sometimes it might take 2 hours, depending on how tough the meat is. Every beef is different. Some are tougher than others. So we're gonna put it in the oven, 1.5, 2 hours. Come back. Like I said, I'm gonna make me some mashed potatoes with this. You can eat it with pasta. You can eat it with rice, however you want to eat it. But I'm choosing to eat it with mashed potatoes. I've eaten enough rice the last few days, so y'all want some mashed potatoes with this. Soak up that good sauce. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back, and y'all, I wish y'all was here in my house right now. I really do. It smells absolutely amazing in my house right now, y'all. You can smell the peppers and the onions and even my old school, you know, the old school hot sauce peppers I put in there. This smells amazing. So, like I say, 350 degrees. It's been an hour. It's been in the oven an hour and a half. Make sure you cover it. I didn't say that when I left the video. But cover it up with foil, an hour and a half. Be careful when you open it. Always open the foil up away from you so you don't get that little starch there. And this is what you get, y'all. Look at that goodness there, y'all. Look at this nice goodness. And this thing is so tender. It's so tender. But I can pull that bone out of there, y'all. Look at that amazing sauce. But you know what, y'all? I'm not through yet. I'm not through yet, y'all. We'll do one more thing to this. Let's say I dedicate this to my buddy, Daddy Jack. I'm gonna put a little mozzarella cheese on top of here, y'all. A little cheese on there. Just let it sit on there. I'm gonna put it right back in the oven. About 10 minutes, y'all. Like I say, y'all, sometimes you just have to do these ready to do when you're cooking. And my buddy, Daddy Jack, like I said, I used to dedicate videos to him every month. This is definitely something he would do. This last minute, just put some, this is Monterey Jack cheese, y'all. I saw I had some in the refrigerator to get rid of it. It'll go perfect. Absolutely perfect on this dish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven about 10 minutes and let this cheese get nice and melty on there. And we're going to come back and I'm going to show you the final result. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Look at this goodness. Melt a little cheese on there. Oh, my God, y'all. Look at that. Okay, y'all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to step off here. I'm going to make me a plate. Look at these. I got me a big old pot of mashed potatoes. Yukon Gold mashed potatoes there. I'm going to put me some mashed potatoes on a plate. A little of this meat here. And I'm going to prove to y'all how tender this is. That bone probably just come right out of there. Look how that meat just coming out that bone. So I'm going to cut me a piece of this off of here. Oh my God, this stuff smells amazing. I'm not only saying this because I made it, but it's absolutely, absolutely amazing, y'all. And this is like one of the spur of the moment videos, y'all. So anyway, I'll be back here in about 5 minutes here. And we're going to give this a taste test, and I'll be ready to eat my dinner, y'all. It's old school 7 steak, y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all. It is time to eat here. I got that sauce on my mashed potatoes here. Like I say, y'all, this is sport tender, really. Oh, my God. It got a little steak, really got a little give to it. Oh my God. Nothing like good old pepper steak. It's a meal here, y'all. Nice and tender. A nice cheap piece of meat too. I like that fat part. And the fat part near the bone. Telling y'all. If you have a place where you can get some 7 steak, y'all, it's a cheap piece of meat. I'm telling y'all, It's just my play on it. Let me stop eating. Well, I can really eat off camera. Let me close this video out. Alright, y'all. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.